today for the Bitcoin price. And guys, crazy. What the heck is happening with the markets? What do we need to actually see for the price to go up? We have central banks buying, we have corporations buying, we have executive orders all coming into place. We have BlackRock buying hundreds of millions of US dollars of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and nothing is happening. Let's look in the charts and see why that might be. What the heck is actually going on right now for Bitcoin, for crypto? What am I doing with my portfolio? What am I doing with my trades? I want to talk about everything today. Something's shocking, something's not. Let's get straight into it. And dear ladies and gentlemen, smash up the like button to a new all-time high, as Bitcoin is not going to a new all-time high. But let's talk about it finally, right? Let's go straight into it and talk about my trades. We'll talk about everything. I don't know if you saw yesterday in the video I made, it was, which video was it here? This Bitcoin, this is urgent, right? And I actually showed a trade there, which you can see I edited this comment. I told you that I closed the trade, but I also posted that over on Twitter just like an hour after I made the video and I opened the trade. I closed it at a break even, which you can see it here also where I like 1% profit or something. I just had a weird feeling. And now the question is, what is happening with the markets? Well, it was not the first trade recently which was not successful. I like to close those once they're in a profit, put the stop loss in a break even, or just close it manually at a break even. The reason for that is this 4-hourly candle. And like these breaks are failing over and over. And that is not a bullish sign. That is, in fact, a bearish sign. I was posting that also on Twitter here, where I said Bitcoin update just 1 hour ago. This is not bullish. If we are having a break and it's a false break, a bullish break, which is a false break within a bull market, that is not bullish, guys. Like, what the heck? Usually in bull markets, patterns break out and they work out much more often than they don't. Yes, this bump and run reversal worked out perfectly. But that is one among a lot which don't work out. And we can see this big fake out right here. And we are back below resistance. This support was not holding. So that is not bullish. As long as we are below, this is bearish for Bitcoin. We have now support, which is holding since the end of January, resistance, which is holding since the end of January, holding us successfully down. What does that mean? If you want to phrase it in words, it means the bears are stronger than the bulls. Despite news coming into the market of the Czech Federal Reserve planning to buy Bitcoin, right? Of the Danish central bank buying MicroStrategy, basically wanting to be exposed to Bitcoin. Despite BlackRock basically buying Bitcoin and Ethereum in result of the big demand behind the ETFs. I mean, all of these things are quite bullish, but the price is not really moving, and that is not a very good sign. I want to tell you how it is. I will stay in Bitcoin because that's what I always do, but you do remember my prediction where I said I think the bull market is going to end latest Q2. I will still stand with that prediction. I think the bull market will end latest Q2. Is it ending right now? Well, who really cares, right? I mean, long term, we are holding Bitcoin anyways. But I remain cautious in the short term as long as we are below the support, and also even if we break it, as long as we are below 102,000. Until then, no trades. Until then, not touching my hodling portfolio. That's all I'm telling you, especially now it's the weekend. So as I'm the most bullish person throughout the last 2-3 years, I want to be a little bit more cautious right now, and I hope that is forgiven. Thank you so much for watching. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I truly love and appreciate all of you. I will come to you if the things are changing. Until then, let's relax, let's enjoy life. I will see you very soon at the next drop on MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.